Okay, hello dear friends, good morning. So it's SAT time. Let's do some SAT practice. Here we have one problem. A painter will paint n walls with the same size and shape in a building using a specific brand of paint. And so I will write down some of this information. So n walls. So these are the walls. They are all the same. The number of the wall is n. And the painter's fee, and use different kind of brand. The brand of paint. The painter's fee can be calculated by the expression n times k times l times h, where n is the number of the walls, k is the constant with units, is a constant with units of dollar per square foot. Constant with units of dollar per square foot. So every square foot was $5, $10. It's a constant, so there is no change. L is the length of each wall in feet, and K is the height of each wall in feet. The customer asked the painter to use a more expensive brand of paint. Which of the factor in the expression would change? Number of wall will not change. He has this amount of this number of walls. It cannot change. If he paints less, then it's taller. Then it's not doing the job, right? And the length of the wall is specific, will not change. And the height of the wall is specific, will not change. The only thing will change is K, which is a constant with units of dollar per square foot. So if we use a more expensive brand, per unit square will be more expensive. If you use a less expensive brand, a cheaper brand, the unit square price will be cheaper. So the answer is C. Number two, let me, if 3R is 18, which is the value? What is the value of 6R plus 3? If 3R equal 18, then 6R equal to 36. It's 2 times of 18 plus 3 is 39. Make sense? Okay. Which of the following is equivalent to A to the power of 2/3 for all value of A? So this one we will just need to write the exponential expression. Clean. More explainable. Equal to A, the inside number we do not change, to the power of half, the square root. So it's A to the power of 1/6, right? And the second one, A square root of A cube. So it's A cube. First, we write down the basic number inside, and then write down what is the operation. Operation is the square root of this number. It's to the power of half, right? So it's A to the power of 3 times half equal to a to the power of 3 half. This one, a. So first we copy what is inside, and then we copy the operation outside. So a to the power of right. The last one equal to a to the power of 2. So when you see this kind of problem, just slow down, do it step by step. Sometimes you think it one time does not make sense, change your thinking method until you think it through. Once your brain is not functioning without writing this process, maybe you spend more time and get a wrong result. It is better that you think it through and write down the operation, the base number, step by step, and you sure will make it right. So number 3, the answer is D. Okay, number 4, question number 4. The number the number of states that joined the United States between 1776 and 1849 is twice the number of states that joined 1850 and 1900. If 30 states joined the United States between 1776 and 1849, and X states joined between 1850 and 1900, which of the following equation is true? So what we are saying, so X state join X equal to what? Equal to half of the already known number. I write a big N, right? X is half of it. And what do we know? This number join between the early stage is 30. So X equal half times 30. And move X to this side, 2X equal to 30. So you write it down step by step. Eventually you will find the answer. 2X equal to 30. Okay, question number 5. I think I need a new piece of paper. If x over 5 over x equal to 15 over x plus 20, what is the value of x over 5? How about we move it around? Yeah. Oh, you need to calculate a real number. So what we can do, we do the equation and find out what it is. So we transfer it like 5x plus 100 equal 15x, and move this x, 10x equal to 100, x equal to 10, and x divided by 5 equal to 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. So the answer is 2. Number 6, 2x minus 3y equal negative 14, 3x minus 2y equal negative 6. If x and y is a solution to the system of equation above, what is the value of x minus y? X minus y. I think what we can do is the first equation plus second equation. It will become, so if we see this one first equation, put these two equations together. What we can do is 2x minus 3y equal negative 14, right? 3x minus 2y equal negative 6. I just copy it. So these two plus together, because it's equation, so 5x minus 5y equal to negative 20. So x minus y divided by 5 on both sides equal to negative 4. So there is a way you can figure out what is x, what is y. But this one, you can see the number is already tricky enough. You can just use, there is 2 and 3, 3 and 2. We can use it right away. So when you see a problem, do not jump into your solution immediately, because you may end up spending too much time and not finding the shortest way. It's important to think through and do the most effective method. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay, question number 7. The function f is defined by a polynomial. Some value of x and fx are shown in the table above. Which of the following must be factor of fx? So when x is a certain number, fx becomes 0. When fx becomes 0, then x minus that number must be a factor. So x minus 4 must be a factor to result in fx equal to 0. So the answer is C. Question number 8. Shall we do question number 8? What time is it? Give me 1 minute. Okay, we will do question number 8. Then I am going. The line y equal kx plus 4, where k is a constant, it's a slope, is graphed in the xy plane if line contains the point CD where C not equal 0 and D is not equal 0. What is the slope of the line in term of C and D? Okay, so what we can do here, it goes through C and D, so we can substitute x and y with c and d. So y is d. So d equal k times c plus 4. So kc equal to d minus 4. And k equal d minus 4 over c. Divided by c, divided by c. So we get it. What is this one? D minus 4 divided by c. So the answer is A. Okay, I will stop here. We will have time to do more. I love you. I really do.